Hey folks, so I wanted to show you one more flavor of the speed to market demo that I already provided. This is one that we've done with Manulife, just kind of based on their processes or preferences. And why I thought it was relevant is because they wanted to build in an advisor enablement aspect. So anytime they're using Writer to create and compress time it takes to get to market for a campaign, they're also creating a specific advisor experience around it. So you see that on the left here as far as the playbook. It's going to create a brief. It's going to create that advisor toolkit for however many advisors we need, 1,400, however. It's going to be persona specific. It's going to do all of the asset generation from a social media post perspective, emails, everything else, and then bring in the actual performance AI insights and create that virtuous loop so that you're more informed the next time around. So you would fill in all the required inputs here. I'm going to jump directly into the output. So on the upper center side here, you should see we're in the marketer view right now. So this is kind of everything I just detailed, but if I wanted to toggle over, this would be that exact same campaign we ran optimized for how an advisor would use this. So again, we haven't dialed in any of these requirements, outputs to what Baird's processes are or Gold Star standards, but directionally, hopefully this gives you an idea as far as like having talking points for the different personas, client emails, each personalized to different personas that you can send out, LinkedIn post if we want to drive more of that thought leadership behavior, Instagram post, enablement materials as far as why this stuff works, thought leadership piece as well that each individual can utilize in their own way, integrations with Salesforce, thinking a bit more future forward, and then going back to the actual marketing side of it. So an overview of exactly what was created, stuck with the Retire on Your Terms campaign, giving an overview of everything that was created from the marketing campaign perspective. So here's a kind of visual representation of the brief that it pulled together as well, leveraging actually some of your content strategy standards and documents that I turned into skills and embedded into the process. If I peeled back the curtain as far as the playbook that created this, you'd see all the actual kind of files that go with this. So again, this is a markdown file because that's what LLMs can kind of read and produce most efficiently, but this could also be, a branded Baird document as well. So there's like the brief. Again, we just need requirements to dial this all in. Social media pack for the LinkedIn post and everything else. So right now this is a general demo baked with some of the Manulife requirements, but part of the evaluation process is actually bringing your stuff in and requirements and proving it out. So I did personalize based on some of the assets you send here. So again, being able to create personas via skills and have that represented in all the content that's going to be created. And this is just like a quick summary. Some of the emails, the actual kind of files and all the main stuff is in the session here that I was showing you. As well, thinking about it from regulatory compliance. So bringing all of that sort of checking against claims into this and being able to say, with an authentication and certificate that all the content pass those points as well. Launch checklist, social media packs as far as LinkedIn posts, this stuff not advisor specific but more corporate facing, and then bringing in the actual insights as well on how things performed and being able to give you persona specific insights. So like the Sandra retargeting window was too short, recommend extend retargeting window to 45 days. And this is only going to get smarter and smarter, and this is the type of stuff that we're doing with our customers to help drive that idea of a business-led AI transformation, or driving your own AI revolution and not waiting for IT teams to kind of deliver what tooling might look like, and being able to customize this all and build this all with natural language, and then having us as a fallback partner to help you learn how to use this technology and be strategic. So giving some adjustments here based on the next cycle, and being able to kind of ingest the analytics. And a lot of this is based on synthetic data, because that's all I have to kind of go off of. So, if we wanted to look into, where some of this came from, you see like, okay, well, we created performance snapshots of how things were doing, and that got re-ingested into the playbook to create that output. So we'd love to hear your thoughts if getting a better sense of what this would look like for private wealth management, and thinking about not only how we can compress speed to market, but take all that content intelligence that you're creating and put it into advisors' hands in a way that they would use. And what does that look like? Is it more talking scripts? Is it more about client emails, the post, thought leadership, a combination? You name it, we can create it. And the best part is, being able to agentically take feedback that your advisors are receiving and bring that back to the marketing team to further, improve what the next campaigns look like. And again, kind of creating that flywheel where it's not only intelligence of what your competitors are doing, but what you're hearing in the field and how things are performing, and continuing to get more dangerous with each campaign and your use of AI. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Ciao.